Hey guys, it's Nick here. Hope you're doing well. In this video, we're taking a step back and covering a very simple question, which is the law of attraction real? And this came up in the Facebook group last week, and it comes up often enough where it's time to shoot a video, and it comes up in various ways. So people asking, does the law of attraction work? Is the law of attraction true? I wonder if the law of attraction is BS, law of attraction debunked. So you see these videos all the time. So today in this video, I'm going to cover two very important things. One, is it real and how do I know? And second, does it even matter? And that's the more important part of this video, so make sure you watch the whole thing. So first, how can you know, is the law of attraction real? Well, I know it's real because of my life experience. It's when I really took the concepts and started to dig in a significant way. It's when I really committed to the teachings that my life changed in big ways. That's when I manifested that big seven-figure amount of money. That's when I manifested the place on the beach. That's when my dream relationship showed up. And if you've watched some of my other videos or read some of my books, you know the synchronicities with my relationship, right? We share similar names, Nick, Anik. We did similar type of work. And we even found out that we both left our marriages on the same day long before we had ever met. So I experience these types of synchronicities frequently. And that's how life is supposed to be. Life is supposed to be a fun, magical, expansive, joyful experience. And it is when you're connected to your inner being, when you're unlocking that mechanism of synchronicity, when you become that blended being, which allows that inner guidance to come through. But most people are living life disconnected, so they don't get to experience life in that magical way. So the only true way that you are going to know for yourself that law of attraction is real, because I could share synchronicities all day. I could give you a copy of Power Manifesting and you could read all the synchronicity stories in that from all my clients. But until you experience it for yourself, that's the only time you'll truly know, because life experience is the best teacher. It's really the only teacher, right? Because you will only truly know once you experience it for yourself. And how do you do that? By digging in, by doing the right work and seeing it for yourself. And that brings us to the second part of this video. Does it even matter? Does it even matter if the law of attraction is real? And here's why it doesn't. Because if you understand the work being getting into alignment, the work being understanding how to become a vibrational match to the reality that you want. By doing the work, the focus of the work is getting happy, is feeling good. That's what allows your desires to show up. And if you did the work, if you found yourself in that happy place up here, which is where you need to be to let the stuff in, even if law of attraction isn't real, even if it doesn't work, even if the things you want don't show up, you're still living a much happier life, right? And the paradox or the irony in it all is that the reason you're chasing all of these things with law of attraction, even though you're trying to make the money, the relationship, the job, whatever it is you're looking for show up, the reason you want these things is because you know that you'll feel better in having these things. You know that these things will make you happier. And the irony is that once you get so happy, once you're consistently in that state of happiness, you don't care so much whether those things show up. And guess what? That's when they do. So even if law of attraction wasn't real, the work of the law of attraction is getting happy and feeling good. So worst case scenario, you do the right work, you're still going to be living a happy life. So does the law of attraction, is it real? Of course it is. I know it's real because my life experiences have shown me. Does it matter? No, because if you do the right work, you're going to be living a much happier life anyways. And if you're not sure how to get there and how to do that, get in my free e-course, link is in the description, or grab my book on Amazon, Power Manifesting. It tells you exactly how. So this was my share for today. I hope this was useful for you. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment in the comments. On a scale of 0 to 10, how much do you believe in law of attraction? 10, I absolutely know it's real. 0, I don't believe in it at all. And let me know how much you're committing to the work. Are you ready to get happy? just drop a comment. Let me know. I'd love to know what your commitment level is and how much you really believe in law of attraction. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and maybe we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.